How did this Iceman survive so many years? How was he alone so miraculously preserved? When most of us die, our body decomposes. Enzymes and bacteria break down the tissue until only bones remain. Mummies are different. They still have flesh, muscles, sometimes even hair. Most often, we have seen mummies as Egyptian nobles, carefully preserved for the ages by priests. But nature also has the power to mummify. Ice is one of the few forces that can stop decomposition. Ice mummies are extremely rare. Less than a dozen have been discovered in remote corners of the globe. The sailors of the Northwest Passage, the Ampato Maiden of Peru. They show us that in ice, bacteria freeze, decay stops, and the body remains intact in a type of suspended animation. Still, ice crystals can damage the cell walls. But the Iceman is different. Not just older, but truly unique. Because he wasn't just frozen, but freeze-dried, like coffee beans or vegetables. As the snows covered him, the dry, cold alpine winds actually drew the moisture from his corpse, sucking more than 90% of the water right out of his body in a matter of weeks. The result is a remarkable level of preservation. The liquid gone, but the cell walls intact. Large parts of his body, down to the microscopic level, perfectly preserved. Now, this remarkable specimen is slowly beginning to defrost. The moisture, the smells, all speak of his re-emergence from the land of the dead. The garter checks the body carefully. The mummy is no longer a solid block of ice. A first sample is taken from his intestines, remnants of what he ate the day he died. It looks like dust, but it may be a crucial clue. The body is now so limp, it takes 3 men to turn him. Testing the flesh, they seem worried, for the temperature is slowly rising and time is short. Inside the defrosting room, the scientists are working faster now. As the temperature rises, they unclench the jaws, get past the tongue itself, and finally take their samples, dental enamel, from deep within the mouth. For a garter, the key question is the most fundamental.